The International Labour Organization ILO launched the World Day Against Child Labour in 2002 to focus attention on the global extent of child labour and the action and efforts needed to eliminate it. Each year on 12th June, the world uses this day to highlight the plight of child labourers and what can be done to help them. Children around the world are routinely engaged in paid and unpaid forms of work that are not harmful to them. However, they are classified as child laborers when they are either too young to work or are involved in hazardous activities that may compromise their physical, mental, social, or educational development. The number of children in child labor has risen to 160 million worldwide, an increase of 8.4 million children in the last 4 years. Child labor is more prevalent among boys than girls at every age. Child labor in rural areas stands at 14%, nearly 3 times higher than the 5% in urban areas. Just like in Uganda, Ghana and Nepal instituted restrictions to prevent the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, which made it difficult for parents to defend for their families after their workplaces were shut down, which schools also closed. It was left with children to support their families. Angela Nabowe Kasure, the program's director at the Initiative for Social and Economic Rights, was one of the researchers involved in the study carried out in Karamoja, Buyukwe, and Kampala. She found that many children encountered very hazardous working conditions.
In Karamoja, specifically in Moroto, we came across children who are being paid with alcohol, local brew, remains of local brew, to be able to put something in the stomach because they were hungry. So you go out and you don't have what to eat. So you're given that, and that is what you have to survive on. According
to Kasure, the children interviewed in the study in Uganda raised from those crushing stones with bare hands in Kampala and parts of Napak, as well as those who were made to sell silverfish or mukene in Buyukwe to enable their families to survive.
With her parents are somewhere else. They had left her with the grandmother, but the grandmother is so old, and this girl has to go and work in the gold mine to be able to get something for herself and the grandmother.
Some of the children even reported violence, harassment, and pay theft.
Their children we found in the fish farms in Buyukwe. They are working 7 days a week from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and they're supposed to be paid 7,000 shillings a day. But all the girls, we talked about to 16 girls, and most of those girls said that no one ever pays you that money.
For Kazi FM News, I am Deus Mwebase reporting.